Hey, I'm Sarah, and we're just going to have a bit of school holiday fun. We got some chocolate buttons free from the Countdown Bunch Club, and we thought it would be rude not to make something with them. Sam here is going to start making these chocolate chip bickies. We're actually just using a recipe from Sam's Edmund's Kids Cookbook. We haven't made this particular recipe before, so as I say, we're just having an experiment. Just, oh, perfect. We need 1 cup of brown sugar. Bomb. We crack in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Shall Aston do this bit? There's not much more to do here, Aston. We need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Very good. Yep. This is about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. After this has happened.
I have appeared.
You have children appear. Then we stir that together. We don't use the whisk. Then we're meant to drop tablespoons of the mixture onto the oven tray, allowing about 3 to 4 centimetres, so about that far apart. You guys can go and lick the bowl if you want. Let's take the bowl. No, because I'm going to use those. Oh, yeah.
I heard something about bowl licking.
Yep. So I'm going to bake that in a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius. It says 18 to 20 minutes. Just for the record, the recipe said that makes 27. We've got 12 here, so, you know, we'll see how much they expand. Alright, I've put the camera down low for the taste test because, you know, these guys are the real critics here. What do we reckon? Oh yeah, I get the broken one. One broke.
Even though the chocolate chips are still whole, and it spreads this nice sweet chocolatey flavour throughout it.
I would say these would be really nice with dark chocolate chips, because dark ones would add a little bit of bitterness to it. It wouldn't be quite as sweet. These are really sweet. I would say if I was going to make these again, I'd experiment by cutting that cup of sugar down to like 3/4 of a cup, maybe even 1/2 cup, because they are super duper sweet. But nobody here seems to be complaining about that. What are your thoughts, Aston?
Yum and sweet, which is good.
I mean, they're just slightly crispy around the outside. They're still nice and smooshy in the middle.
Awesome yum.
Awesome yum.
And it's nice and crunchy on the top.
Yeah, we've got more chocolate chippies to use up, so I'll probably do some more of these. Hit like, leave us a comment, hit subscribe. Hope you had a good school holidays. We'll catch you next week. Bye.